Very much indeed for responding to last year's poll to decide what topics the Culture, Welsh Language and Communications Committee should look into. This is just a short message to let you know what we have done since then and what we are doing next. The committee held an event in February to discuss the teaching of Welsh history and culture in schools. We spoke to a wide range of people, from teachers and academics to people from all walks of life who are interested in Welsh history and culture. We received a variety of suggestions about how we can continue our work. So we've written to the Welsh Government and the WJEC to ask them to clarify the availability of teaching materials and teacher training so that we have a better understanding of what support teachers have to teach Welsh history. We've also asked them how much time is spent specifically on Welsh history in our schools and if they check to see schools are complying with the requirement to teach Welsh-specific content at GCSE level. We have asked Esting if a thematic review of teaching Welsh history is possible as well. We will return to the topic in May by asking the Welsh Government if the new curriculum is fit for purpose in that regard and how the outcomes are needed to ensure children have the Welsh history that they need to learn in their schools. If you would like to keep informed about what we are doing, then please email us on senedd@assembly.wales.